Hi guys, welcome on World Toys channel. Today you will see Kinder surprise from Kung-Fu Panda 3 because the premiere of this movie is right around the corner. So we will open today 8 eggs, 4 from Mei Mei package and 4 from Po package. The producer says that we will find at least 2 toys from Kung-Fu Panda 3 series, and we have 10 toys from this series, and I hope we will have 4. So first package is with Mei Mei. She is new character and she will appear in the 3rd Kung-Fu Panda movie. So we will open the first egg. Let's see what's inside. So we have here the tiger from Kung Fu Panda. She's one of the Kung Fu pupils. And I think she can make some Kung Fu moves. She can do the kicks. Kung Fu kicks. But she can also stand her hand on her tail. Let's open it. Okay, let's see. What's that? Oh, that's a dog. So it's not Kung Fu Panda toy. This is one of 4 dogs. And they can stick to, for example, your pencil case. He looks like a bulldog, and when you push his first paws, he will open his mouth and you can stick the bone in his mouth. We have here a crayon bunny. I'm sure you've already seen some of them in our earlier reviews. This is a bunny and his legs and hands are crayons, so you can draw something with it, and his stand looks like a cloud, so you can also draw a cloud. This is one of 4 bunnies in this series. I'm sure we will find something from Kung Fu Panda here. Okay. What's that? Oh, this is Master Shifu. Look, let's see what's the instruction. Okay, I think I done it wrong. So Master Shifu can be placed here, and he can go round and round to make some Kung Fu. So far we got the tiger and Master Shifu from Kung Fu Panda. Let's open the next package with Po. The first egg from the second package. Okay. This is Li Shen. This is the father of Po. Look, we can build him. So this part glows in the dark. Okay, some animal. So this is one of those creatures which looks like a bunny, like this, or like a monkey when it goes like this. Let's see what's here. It's green and yellow with monkeys and elephants. And now we can spin it. The last egg left, and I'm sure we find here something from Kung-Fu Panda. So this is Po, and he will be jumping. Our collection of toys from Kinder Surprise Kung-Fu Panda 3 is growing. So if you want to see more videos where we are opening some Kinder Surprises, subscribe our channel World Toys.